Hello everyone, welcome to the video of Kalika Kavacham initiation. As promised, on my birthday, I told everyone that I will initiate Kalika Kavacham, that is on July 6th, 2025. Last year, July 6th, 2024, I initiated everyone with Nama Mantras along with Chandakali Mantra. So in this video, I'm going to initiate everyone with Chandakali Bija Mantra and Kalika Kavacham together. So now I'll be talking about the items required. So first of all, you should have a small idol of Kali and a plate separately dedicated for the Kavacham. So the Kavacham plate must be separate from the Kalika default plate, that is where you keep her normally. So for the Kavacham there must be a separate plate dedicated, and another is a Tirtha from temple. So I go to Narasimha temple to bring Tirtha. So you can go to whichever temple is near you. Then another is Kumkum from temple. So I go to Mangala Devi temple to bring the Kumkum. You can go to whichever temple is near you. Then what you have to do is, you have to first do the Abhisheka of your Kali. Then after that you have to put Kumkum all over her. And after that you have to do the Kalika Kavacham. After Kalika Kavacham, you can remove the Kumkum and put it in a different bowl. So this bowl will be the energized Kumkum, energized by your Kavacham. So you can apply that on your forehead every day for protection from all kinds of negative entities. So now we will start the Kalika Kavacham procedure. So first, take the Tirtha. Okay, and while doing Abhisheka, you have to chant the Chandakali Bija Mantra. Om Hrim Chandattahasini Jagadgrasanakarini Naramunda Chandakalike Klim Shrim Hum Strim Shrim Fat Fat Swaha. Om Hrim Chandattahasini Jagadgrasanakarini Naramunda Chandakalike Klim Shrim Hum Strim Shrim Fat Fat Swaha. Om Hrim Chandattahasini Jagadgrasanakarini Naramunda Chandakalike Klim Shrim Hum Strim Shrim Fat Fat Swaha. Om Hrim Chandattahasini Jagadgrasanakarini Naramunda Chandakalike Klim Shrim Hum Strim Shrim Fat Fat Swaha. Om Hrim Chandattahasini Jagadgrasanakarini Naramunda Chandakalike Klim Shrim Hum Strim Shrim Fat Fat Swaha. So after the Abhisheka of Tirtha, you have to put Kumkum all over her while chanting the same mantra. Om Hrim Chandattahasini Jagadgrasanakarini Naramunda Chandakalike Klim Shrim Hum Strim Shrim Fat Fat Swaha. Om Hrim Chandattahasini Jagadgrasanakarini Naramunda Chandakalike Klim Shrim Hum Strim Shrim Fat Fat Swaha. Om Hrim Chandattahasini Jagadgrasanakarini Naramunda Chandakalike Klim Shrim Hum Strim Shrim Fat Fat Swaha. Om Hrim Chandattahasini Jagadgrasanakarini Naramunda Chandakalike Klim Shrim Hum Strim Shrim Fat Fat Swaha. Then you have to bathe her with the Kumkum. So this Kumkum represents the blood of all the Rakta Bijasura. The Rakta Bijasuras are the negative entities that pop up in your day-to-day life. That is basically your thoughts. Every negative thought that comes is a Rakta Bija. He's a Asura. So what Kali does is, she removes all the Asuras inside you. So Asuras are not external entities. They are your internal thoughts, the negative thoughts. That is the Kama, Krodha, Madaloba, Moha, Matsara. That is the Arishad Vargas. Are all your Asuras. And she will remove all the Asuras from your life. So she will not let lust, anger, greed, jealousy, pride, ego come inside your body and mind. So that is what she's removing. She's not removing the external enemies. She's removing your internal enemies, because the external world is a reflection of your internal self. So whatever you have inside you, that only you will see. For example, if you have anger, ego, jealousy, then you will see such people in the world. You will see egoistic, jealousy-minded people. You will not see good people. But if you are good inside, if there are no negative thoughts going on, if you are always positive, then you will be filled with positive people in your life. So basically the external world is a reflection of your internal self. So if you correct your internal self, automatically the external world will become beautiful. So that is why she removes, the Kavacham removes the internal enemies, the internal Rakta Bijasuras, not the external ones. So we are not using this for attacking anyone. Instead we are using it to correct ourselves. So we are applying the Kumkum all over her. So now she is bathed in Kumkum. So after applying Kumkum all over her body, sword, all the weapons, then you have to drink the Tirtha yourself. Again with the same mantra. Om Hrim Chandattahasini Jagadgrasanakarini Naramunda Chandakalike Klim Shrim Hum Strim Shrim Fat Fat Swaha. So after this, the Kavacham begins. So I'll be pasting the Kavacham in the YouTube description. So you can see the Kavacham there and store it somewhere, and before you start the practice yourself. So I'll be starting this Kavacham. So before I start, I want to give the credits. That is, this was written by Bhairava himself in Rudrayamala Tantra. So Bhairava Rishi was the one who wrote this Kavacham to protect the devotees of Kali, and it was written in Rudrayamala Tantra. So we will start the Kalika Kavacham. So be ready guys, buckle your belts, we'll begin. Om Asya Shri Kalika Kavachasya Bhairava Rishihi Anushtab Chandah Shri Kalika Devata Shatru Samharartha Jape Viniyogaha ध्यायेत् कालीं महामायां त्रिनेत्रां बहुरूपिणीं चतुर्भुजां ललज्जिह्वां पूर्णचन्द्रनिभाननां नीलोत्पलदलश्यामां शत्रुसङ्गविदारिणीं नरमुण्डं तथा खड्गं कमलं च वरं तथा निर्भयां रक्तवदनां दंष्ट्रालीघोररूपिणीं साट्टहासननां देवी सर्वदा च दिगम्बरीं शवासनस्थितां कालीं मुण्डमाला विभूषिताम् इति ध्यात्वा महाकालीं ततस्तु कवचं पठेत्। ओम कालिका घोर रूपा सर्वकाम प्रदा शुभा सर्वदेवा सुता देवी शत्रुनाशम करोतु मे। ओम ह्रीं ह्रीं रूपिणीं चैव ह्रां ह्रीं ह्रां रूपिणीं तथा ह्रां ह्रीं क्षौं क्षौं स्वरूपा सा सदा शत्रून् विदारयेत्। श्रीं ह्रीं ऐं रूपिणी देवी भवबन्ध विमोचिनी हूं रूपिणी महाकाली रक्षास्मान् देवी सर्वदा यया शुम्भो हतो दैत्यो निशुम्भश्च महासुरः वैरिनाशाय वन्दे तां कालिकां शङ्करप्रियां भ्रामी शैवी वैष्णवी च वाराही नरसिंहिका कौमान्येन्द्र च चामुण्डा खादन्तु मम विधिविषः सुरेश्वरी घोररूपा चण्डमुण्डा विनाशिनी मुण्डमाला वृताङ्गी च सर्वतः पातु मां सदा। ह्रीं 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 कालिके घोरे दंश्रव रुदिराप्रिये रुदिरापूर्णवक्त्रे च रुदिरेणावृतस्तनी मम शत्रून् खादय खादय हिंस हिंस मारय मारय बिन्दि बिन्दि चिन्दि चिन्दि उच्चाटय उच्चाटय द्रावय द्रावय शोषय शोषय स्वाहा। ह्रां ह्रीं कालिकायै मदीय शत्रून् समर्पयामि स्वाहा। ओम जय जय किरि किरि किटि किटि कट कट मदम मदम मोहय मोहय हर हर मम रिपुन् ध्वंस ध्वंस भक्षय भक्षय त्रोटय त्रोटय यातु दानान् चामुण्डे सर्वजनान् राज्ञो राजपुरुषान् स्त्रियो मम वश्यान् कुरु कुरु तनु तनु धान्यं धनं मेष्वान् गजान् रत्नानि दिव्यकामिनीः पुत्रान् राजश्रियं देहि यच्च क्षां क्षीं क्षूं क्षैं क्षौं क्ष स्वाहा। इत्येतत् कवचं दिव्यं कथितं शम्भुना पुरा ये पठन्ति सदा तेषां ध्रुवं नश्यन्ति शत्रवः वैरणिः प्रलयं यान्ति व्याधिता वा भवन्ति हि बलहीनाः पुत्रहीनाः शत्रवस्तस्य सर्वदा सहस्रपठनात् सिद्धिः कवचस्य भवेत् तदा तत्कर्याणि च सिद्धयन्ति यथा शंकर भाषितं श्मशानाङ्गरमादाय चूर्ण कृत्वा प्रयत्नतः पादोदकेन पिष्ट्वा तलिक्यलोहशलाकया भूमौ शत्रून् हीनरूपानुत्तरश्रस्तता हस्तं दत्त्वा तु हृदये कवचं तु स्वयं पठेत् शत्रोः प्राणप्रतिष्ठां तु कुर्यान् मन्त्रेण मन्त्रवित् हन्यादस्रं प्रहारेण शत्रो गच्छयमक्षयम् ज्वलदङ्गरतापेन भवन्ति ज्वलिताभृशं प्रोचनैर्वामपादेन दरिद्रो भवति ध्रुवं वैरिनाशकरं प्रोक्तं कवचं वश्यकारकं परमैश्वर्यदं चैव पुत्रपुत्रादिवृद्धिदं प्रभातसमये चैव पूजाकाले च यत्नतः सायंकाले तथा पाठात् सर्वसिद्धिर्भवेत् ध्रुवं शत्रुरुच्चाटनं याति देशाद्वा विच्युतो भवेत् पश्चात् किं कर्तामेति सत्यं सत्यं न संशयः। शत्रुनाशकरे देवी सर्वसंपत्करे शुभे सर्वदेवास्तुते देवी कालिके त्वां नमाम्यहम्। रुद्रयामल तंत्रोक्तम कालिका कवचम समाप्तः। So this kavacham written by Rudra Bhairava himself in the Rudrayamala Tantra, I'll be pasting in the YouTube description, and this will help you throughout the life to stop all the negative thoughts. Again, we are not attacking the external enemies, we are attacking your internal enemies. That is Kama, Krodha, Mada, Lobha, Moha, Matsara, lust, anger, greed, jealousy, pride, ego. So all these, when it is tackled, when all these negative emotions, thoughts stop, that time you will be very happy and you can do your sadhana without any worries, without your energy being stolen, without your energy being influenced. Throughout the day, you can stay stable and happy. So that is the whole point of Kalika Kavacham. It is to protect yourself and not to attack others. So this is the birthday gift this year in 2025, July 6th. And next year, July 6, 2026, I'll be giving some other initiation. So whoever has watched this video is initiated with Chandakali Bija Mantra and Kalika Kavacham together, written by Bhairava himself. Om Hrim Batukaya Apaduddaranaya Kuru Kuru Batukaya Hrim. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Jai Mahakal.